Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Amazing Facts. I hope you all good. Let's get into today's topic. Today's topic is interesting facts about parrots. The parrots are mostly in tropical and subtropical. They are divided into three superfamilies: Psittacoidea true parrots, Cockatoidea cockatoos, Strickpedea New Zealand parrots. Characteristic feature: parrots include a strong, curved bill, an upright stance, strong legs, having two toes pointing forward and backward. Many parrots are vividly colored and multi-colors. They form in variable-sized birds order in terms of length. Most parrots feeds on seeds, fruits, buds, nuts, and other plants. Few species sometimes eat animals and dead flesh. Almost all parrots nest in tree hollows, or nest boxes in captivity, and white eggs from hatch, which are helpless young parrots, generally pantropical, distribution with several species inhabiting temperature regions in the southern hemisphere as well. The greatest diversity of parrots is in South America and Australia. So, friends, this is the end of the video.